Hi, hello everyone. It's the first day of the YouTube monetization challenge. I'm so excited that you're here. If you're here, type in the chat. What I want to know from you is what is your status with YouTube? Are you a newbie? Like, are you completely new to YouTube? Have you even created a channel? Or have you been on for a few years and you just really slow? You're not getting a lot of new subscribers. Or have you been on YouTube now for a while and you just haven't been able to monetize your channel? And you're like, now is the time. I've been on for too long. Let me get my act together. Let me get intentional and let me get my YouTube channel monetized. Let me know in the chat which is your situation. For those of you who are new to my channel, I've had this particular channel for several years, and now is this time to get this channel growing and monetized. But I really got inspired to teach this because I started a new channel, completely new industry, which is true crime, and was able to get that to now it's almost 3,000 subscribers and monetize that in just a few months. And I helped other clients do it as well. So I really want to help everyone who is interested in getting their message out to more people. YouTube is a fantastic platform. It's a huge search engine, and it's just an incredible way to reach more people. There's millions of people on there every day. It's a really great way to get clients, leads, and of course, once your channel is up and monetized, you can make money from it. So what I was going to talk about today, and I'll just talk this through and then I'll start the actual content tomorrow when you have a PowerPoint to look at, is getting into the right mindset. And what I want you to think is the following. I want you to remember that I am a YouTuber, and you can follow along and say it on your own. I am a YouTuber. I am a creator, like a content creator. I am a creator. I am an influencer. In many cases, it might be a nano influencer or a micro influencer, but you're an influencer. I am an influencer. And my message matters. And I think it's important to start off with this right mindset because many times we don't, it's sometimes so difficult for us to think that we're in this space. You hear of these YouTubers and these, Mr. Beast and other people who are blowing up on YouTuber. But each one of us has an important message. Each of us has the ability and has this opportunity to share that message, and each of our messages matter. So I want us to keep that in mind when we go through this 5-day challenge. And I'll just talk through this real quick. And it's that YouTube monetization is now easier than ever. And that's the other reason why I'm inspired to do this particular challenge. Because just about 3 or 4 months ago, YouTube lowered the bar for monetization. It used to be you had to have 1,000 subscribers and get to 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize. Actually, and there's another option, which is 10 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. So it's a pretty high bar for many people to achieve. And now they've lowered the bar to have a first step, like an entree into YouTube monetization, which is now 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours or 3 million YouTube Shorts views. And so just getting in is important because I've noticed with my own channel and with my clients who have gone through this exact same process I'm going to walk you through. Once you get that first step, there is an acceleration process that happens, and I can't quite explain it. I'll just leave that up to the universe, God, the Almighty, to give us an explanation at some point. But I just noticed that there is this acceleration process that happens. And in the case of my client, she was one of my clients who got there super quickly. I helped her get to that first step within just a few days. And then she got full monetization just another week and a half later. So I think from start, when I started working with her, to getting full monetization was 17 days. And so that's an extreme case because she already had, she was a little closer to the threshold, but still she didn't even know where she was at. She thought she was way off. And so some of you might be way off or think you're way off, and you're actually much, much, much closer to monetization. And so what I did want to offer for anyone who was interested in having that one-to-one touch, I did offer a one-to-one session with me. It's a training session where we're going to go through all of your back end and see how close you are to monetization. It may be closer than you think, and create a customized plan for you. It's a value way higher. I've had people tell me it's priceless. And I'll drop that link. It's alexanderfigueredo.com/YouTube. And you can book a session with me. I've had clients do it. I've been running several of them in the last couple of weeks. And clients are getting so much value from this session and really getting clarity when they didn't even, in some cases, had no idea even how to use YouTube. So why don't, before we wrap for today, and this will be a very, very quick session as you see, what is your top YouTube goal for this challenge? Do you want to grow your, like, what's a bigger, let's say, goal for you? Do you just want to start your YouTube? Like, are you ready to start posting? Or do you want to grow your YouTube subscribers? Or do you want to leverage everything you've been already working toward and actually get your channel get eligible for monetization? Let me know if it was 1, 2, or 3. So 1 was just starting, getting up and running. 2 is getting subscribers, so increasing your subscribers. 3 is leveraging everything and finally getting your YouTube monetized. And there's another option, but I think those are good, three good ones. Let me know. Number 1, I know, is starting your channel. Many of us are just getting started with our channels, and that's awesome. So some of the people I've worked with are literally, I'm just giving them a rundown on what to do on YouTube from scratch. And then others, number 2 and number 3, number 2 and number 3 go in tandem. 2 is getting subscribers. You need to meet the subscriber threshold in order to get monetized. So those go in tandem. And so wherever you're at, whatever your certain situation is, take the lessons that we're going to learn during this challenge, apply it to where you're at. And because we're going to be probably a pretty good intimate group, feel free to drop in your questions throughout this challenge, and I can always apply it to where you're at this time. So I appreciate you all, and thank you so much for being here. We're going to actually start the full content step 1 of the 5-step process. We'll start tomorrow. So we'll chalk this up to like a getting to know you first session. So I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Let me know, just from our short session today, what was your biggest takeaway from today? I know that for some people that I've been working with, they realize that YouTube monetization is much easier than they thought was possible. So I really hope that that's the case for you as well. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you all. Mwah. Bye for now. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.